From budget calculator to layouts and mood boards, wedding planning online tools will walk you through step by step. What tools do you need for planning your wedding? Moodports. It helps to start creating your wedding vision and to define the look and feel you want to achieve with what is available locally. This will ease the decision-making process and will translate your concept and style. Events layout. It's the best way to plan and visualize your wedding venue, and it's one of the most important tools for your wedding day. It helps you to lay out your table and seating arrangements, as well as where the dance floor, bar, and other key elements should go. Also gives you a clear idea of the distribution and finished look. A planning calendar. Help you oversee the entire planning activities, guiding you with activities to achieve in the right order. Peace of mind, as you won't forget anything, and freedom to choose only the activities you want. As you can see, there's no better way to get everything organized for your big day. Click in the link below to get started with your wedding plan.